My expectation of this is it's gonna be crispy. It's gonna give me the bod effect, the actual crispiness of like when I buy popcorn chicken or even chicken fingers. I want that crispiness in there, and I also want my fries to be crispy and also tasty without me deep frying it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for my air fryer. I just bought a new one from Amazon. I'll leave the link down below if you guys need it or want to purchase it. But let's try it out. This is my first time using an air fryer, so we'll see how that goes. Alright, so this is the air fryer. This is the box it comes in. It just says, I guess, the brand name in it. And Turbo Fry Touch Air Fryer, just a regular box. Let's open this thing up. This is how it looks like. It's a 2-in-1 tank basket for maximum capacity with a small footprint. It just says like some of like the features it has. This looks really good. You could cook healthy food in here. Oh, my favorite, curly fries. Alright. And you can also cook cooking forward. Our mission is to enhance kitchen experience using innovative technology design. Blah, blah, blah. Their brand is chefman.com if you want to check them out. And another picture of this air fryer. Alright, let's open this thing up. Alrighty. Okay, first thing you see is a sandwich. Alright. First thing that comes out is like a manual. We'll open that later. Some more stuff over here. And then we have the actual air fryer. This baby over here. One thing I really am curious about is if this is gonna make like a lot of noise. But I'm really excited about it just because it's an air fryer. I don't have to use oil. So let's see how effective it actually is, or if it makes food taste the same, right? So it's a Chefman. It wasn't that expensive. I think I bought it for, it was around $50. I'll actually input the price on the screen right here, or I'll put the link down in the description for you guys to get it. But it has like a huge monitor thing over here, which I'm a techie person, so I appreciate the little techie aspects of it. This has like caution stuff. I'm gonna take it off because I don't like how that looks. I want the all sleek black look. I don't even think you can take it off. Get back to that later. Boom. Alright. Inside you have the actual air fryer. And basically a little pamphlet of how to take care of it and how to clean it. Oh, that was actually my next question. How do I clean this? Clean it by washing with soap, warm water, and non-abrasive sponge. But you have to be really gentle when you clean it. That's basically what it's saying. But I'm actually appreciative of the fact that this comes off. So I think you could safely like actually wash this because you're not putting like none of the electrical stuff in it. It's just you're washing this individually, and then you could just put your meal in here and cook it. Pan, this is like how big it is. It's not that bad. You could fit like, you know, maybe 2 meals in here. You could push it to 3. I don't know. We'll see. And then this is the inside of it. Let me see if we have any more goods in here. No. Just an empty box. So normally in review videos, I think, do they read the instructions? I'm not doing that. I'm just going to figure it out. That's honestly what I do with everything I buy. I figure it out until I can't anymore, and then I go back to the reviews. It's probably going to be like more like the oven. You put in your food, you cook it, put in your temperature and a timer. Should be simple, right? Shouldn't be that hard. Alright, so let's just get right to it. Let's just put it in the counter and then let's see what I'm making. So since we've been quarantining, we don't have a lot of options in terms of like what we want to cook, just because everything is either sold out. Anyway, so yesterday I passed by Target because I knew this was gonna get delivered, and I was like, okay, so what am I gonna make? And I found little things that I would deep fry, but it's already cooked, I think. So I have the sweet potato ones. And I have popcorn chicken. I don't think this is healthy. Well, the sweet potato is healthy, right? But I've seen people you can make anything in these air fryers. But today I'm just going to be making these. So I'm just going to cook this just like I would cook it in the oven. So I'm not going to put any excess oil. I'm just going to put the food on the pan that it has. And I'm just going to place it on there. This is how it looks like. One thing I have to add is that there's so much room in here. Like, it's so much room. It's almost done. Like, I almost finished this bag. It's only like about halfway left. And this is almost gone too. Like, I could fit both bags in here. So let's actually just pop this in the oven, in the air fryer, and see what we get. My expectation of this is it's gonna be crispy. It's gonna give me the bod effect, the actual crispiness of like when I buy popcorn chicken or even chicken fingers. I want that crispiness in there, and I also want my fries to be crispy and also tasty without me deep frying it, right? So I have this. We're just gonna hop in the oven. It's about half of the popcorn chicken and half of the sweet potato fries. All right, let's just jump right into it. Okay, I'm gonna set it to 400 degrees. That's the highest it can go, and I'm gonna cook it for 10 minutes and see what happens with that, just because it's an air fryer. I'm not sure if you guys can hear. It has like a fan-like noise. Okay guys, I just did a taste test, and it's soft. So I'm going to put it in for another 10 minutes to see if it's gonna change anything. And I also don't think it's fully cooked. So this is how it came out. I actually like it a little bit more. I think it definitely needed like the extra cooking time, just because right now it looks a little bit more crispier and more of like a fried look. Right guys, so this is like the final result right here. Oh my god, it's so good. Bro, if you stayed this long, thank you so much for watching my video. I absolutely love the air fryer. Oh my god, you need it. You need it in your life, just because it makes the food so crunchy. It gives that like fried effect, which is what I was looking for, but without using like an actual like deep fryer or like putting oil in the pan and like doing all the extra stuff. So I absolutely love it. I get to eat like, you know, crispy and like fried food without actually frying it, which is I guess the purpose for it. But I absolutely love it. We'll be using it again, and I definitely want to try making more healthier meals, not like pre-made food. So I definitely want to try that. Again, comment down below what kind of meals you guys use to make the air fryer, if you guys do have one. If you don't, please get one. It's worth it. It's not a must-have. I think it's a luxury item, but I love it so far. I was a little bit hesitant, but I love it. But thank you guys for staying tuned for this long. Please like the video, comment, and also subscribe and hit the bell button to get more notifications and videos from me and stay updated. Thank you.